Hi. A reminder that this video is to help make sure you know how to say the words. So if you're not sure what any word is, go ahead and listen to this. I will read them for you so that you're practicing them correctly, especially those of you that want to practice your accuracy and your fluency. This is a great way to do it. Even if you want to practice your vocabulary, maybe there's some words you don't know, so you can go look those up. So remember, you're going to read it for 1 minute. After you watch this, see how far you can get. Make a mark, count up the words, write that at the bottom, and then underline the long vowel spelling. Then practice then read it again for 1 minute, and hopefully you can get farther. So here are the words: able, grain, snake, gray, break, ate, she, Eve, free, scream, funny, keys, shield, idle, strike, fright, dry, pies, no, slope, float, grown, toes, unit, cute, few, rescue, 80, breaks, yo-yo, screaming, apron, she, shield, strike, dry, grain, Eve, freedom, frighten, keys, snakes, funny, slope, float, rescue, grayer, items, pies, regrown. The bottom section. Replace, afraid, railroad, weightless, greater, impeach, refugee, seaweed, disbelief, device, satisfied, remaining, relief, wildlife, tonight, supply, radio, approach, raincoat, exploded, unfold, telescope, below, unknown, argue, rescue, fewer, uniform, music, nephew, tonight, disbelief, replaced, relief, unfolded, afraid, satisfied, approached, remaining, wildlife, telescope, supplied, decided, weightless, exploded, unknown, greater, video, rescued, refugee. Just a reminder, some words might have only one long vowel. Some words might have more than one long vowel sound. So if there's more than one long vowel sound, feel free to underline both. Or if you can hear my dogs running around, if they only have one long vowel sound, just underline one. Good luck.